Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to reset your Windows 10 computer or laptop. If you have any reboot issues or any weird behavior with your Windows computer, in the event that you have problems with your optical mouse or keyboard, or irreversible bad changes have occurred in your software, if Windows 10 boot or your computer is malfunction after installing incompatible software, or any problems after updating the Windows 10 operating system, you can reset Windows 10 computer to fix them. To reset Windows 10 computer, firstly, you need to boot your machine in the repair mode. Remember that by following these steps, your files are safe and they will not be deleted. For testing, we create a few files in desktop, in documents, in picture and video directories. To restart your computer in recovery mode, you need press the Window button, then press Power button, then you need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the Reset button. After that you will see the recovery menu. Select this button as next step and click it. Then press this button. Next, be careful, we need to select this item if we want to save our personal files. After that, you need to wait a little for the download. Your next step is to choose your profile on the page. If you have a password on your profile, you need to enter it, then click the Continue button. Then click on Local Install. Then you need to click the Reset button and wait a few minutes until your computer is fully restored. On my PC, it takes 20 minutes. After that, when your operating system wakes up, you will see your personal files in their places and all others software will be removed. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please click the like button and consider sharing this idea with your friends. Be sure to subscribe this channel for more awesome videos. Your contribution is more for us.